Let's look at factoring this trinomial. Whenever I'm trying to factor any combination of terms, I always look for a greatest common factor first. And in 6, 28, and 16, my common factor is 2. So I'm going to factor out a 2, and that's going to leave 3v squared minus 14v plus 8. Now don't lose the 2, so I'll put it down. And now this trinomial, we will try to figure out what we need to put to make two factors that will multiply to make the 3v squared minus 14v plus 8. Now, one thing to note is if this middle term is negative, minus 14, and the second one is positive, plus 8, that tells me both of these are going to have to be minus. So that when I'm getting to 8, I'm multiplying a negative times a negative, but when I'm combining for the middle, I can have a negative. Alright, we know we're going to have to have a v and a v to get the v squared. And then the 3, well, 3 is prime, so that helps me. One of them is going to have to be 3, and one of them is going to have to be 1. Now I look at the 8, and I need two numbers that multiply to make 8. And you'll find that a large percentage of the time it's going to be factors in the middle. I mean, yeah, you can do 1 and 8, 2 and 4, but often it's the 2 in the middle. So I'm going to try the 4 and the 2. I'm looking for 14. So I see that if I put the 4 here, I'll be multiplying it by the 3, getting negative 12. And then if I put the 2 here, I'll be multiplying it by the 1 and getting negative 2. So my outside and inside terms do combine to be a negative 14v. So I have my answer. I have my 2 and then 3v minus 2 times v minus 4. And you can always multiply it back out to check your work.